In this video, you'll learn how to use Calendly for appointment booking. By the end of this tutorial, you will have set up your appointment types, availability, and customized your booking form to streamline the scheduling process with clients. After logging into your Calendly account, navigate to the scheduling tab located in the main dashboard. Once you are on the scheduling page, look for the button labeled Plus Create and click on it to begin setting up your appointment type. From the options available, select One-on-One to create a personalized meeting experience. Next, you will need to fill in some details about your appointment. Enter a name for your appointment, such as consultation, interview, or client meeting. Then, specify the duration of the meeting by selecting a time frame from the options provided, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. After entering this information, click Continue to move on to the next step. Now it's time to set your appointment availability. You will see options to select which days you are available for bookings. Click on the days you want to make available. Following that, set your working hours for each selected day. It's also essential to confirm your time zone to ensure accurate scheduling. Only the times you select will be visible to clients when they view your booking page. To inform your clients about how the appointment will take place, you need to specify the meeting location. Within the event setup section, find the location. Here you can choose from various formats such as Google Meet, Zoom, a phone call, or an in-person meeting. After making your selection, make sure to save your changes to ensure your clients receive the correct information. Customizing your booking form is the next step. This allows you to gather essential information from clients before the meeting. Navigate to invitee questions and select Add Question to include fields for name, email, phone number, and the purpose of the meeting. This information can help you prepare for each appointment effectively. After finalizing your booking form, click Save and Close. Calendly will automatically create your booking page, making it ready for clients to access. To obtain your unique booking link, return to the Scheduling tab and look for the Copy Link option beside your event. Your link will look something like calendly.com/yourname/consultation, which you can now share. You can send your booking link through various channels, including email, WhatsApp, or social media platforms. When clients access the link, they can easily choose an available time and confirm their booking. Once someone books an appointment, several actions occur automatically. The appointment will be created to your calendar, a meeting link will be created, a confirmation email will be sent, reminder notifications will be dispatched, and the selected time slot will be blocked off in your schedule. That wraps up today's guide on using Calendly for appointment booking. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.